Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back, and to all the new people watching my video.
My name is Sushmita. Today I have a wedding to attend and this is what I'm wearing and this is how I'm doing my makeup. It's a very quick, simple yet glamorous look. So I'm going to show you how I created this look, so keep watching. Okay, so I am going to drench my face with this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and I'm just going to let it hydrate my face. Then just tap it with my fingers. My god, it feels so therapeutic. Now I'm going to apply MAC Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Pink Light. And I'm just going to apply this much all over my face for that beautiful glow. It just gives a beautiful glow to the face and preps it for other makeup products. The foundation I'm going to use is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am in the shade Tawny and I'll mix a little bit of Ayuga 100% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Oil again for that beautiful glow. I'm just going to take a tiny amount of foundation. I'll add if I need more, and then I'm just going to use 1 drop of the oil. I'm going to mix it really well and apply it all over my face. The foundation is a medium to full coverage foundation and it just makes your skin look like your skin but better. The concealer I'm going to use is the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. I am in the shade Medium Warm Golden and I'll just place it on my under eye area and then blend it with a brush. You can also blend it with your fingers. I love the coverage of this concealer. It's a medium to full coverage concealer. It's amazing at hiding my dark circles. It's like I never had any. Next, to set my under eye area, I'm going to use the Mamaearth Glow Mattifying Loose Powder and I'm going to pick up the powder and apply it under my eyes. Just bake it a little bit. I'm going to press it under my eyes very, very gently. It just gives an airbrush finish to the under eye area. Okay, now I'm going to spritz the Fix Plus again, just to set my base. Now I'm going to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in the shade Felix Onyx. And I am going to do my eyebrows. Nothing fancy, just fill in some gaps and follow my natural shape. Next, I'm going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel and just scrape off all the excess and apply it in the upward and outward motion just to set my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to use the Sugar Contour de Force Face Palette. This is in the shade Subtle Summit and I'm going to use the contour shade and apply it on the hollows of my cheekbones. It's a cool toned contour and is very pigmented. So be very careful when you apply it. Just apply little at a time. And then if you need it, you can add more. I'll just pinch my brush and contour my nose. I have a small forehead, so I'm not going to contour my forehead. If you want, you can go ahead. Next, I'm going to use the same palette and apply the blush. It's a very subtle blush and it looks gorgeous when you apply it. Next, I'm going to use the same palette and apply the highlighter. And I'm just going to pick this highlighter and apply it on the high points of my cheeks. I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm also going to apply it on my brow bone area and also the inner corners of my eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution London Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette and I'm going to use this brown shade on the crease of my eyes. It's a mid-tone brown. It's not too cool, not too warm. And I'm just going to blend it in the crease of my eyes. The eye makeup is going to be very, very simple, yet it just will look very glamorous. I'm going to apply this brown shade on my eyelids. This is a warm brown shade and just apply it all over the lids. And then take the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Taking this beautiful sparkly champagne shade, I'm just going to put it all over my eyelids and this just looks so, so gorgeous. It's just going to take the eye look to another level. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And all I'm doing is just picking the color up and applying it all over my eyelids. So that's it, that's the eye makeup. Now for the lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. I am obsessed with the shade. It's an extremely pretty peachy brown shade, like more towards the peach side, and I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Now on top of this, I'm going to add the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gulabi, and look at this shade, it's stunning. I love mixing lipsticks, so I'm just going to put this on top of what I already got. Now I'm going to apply the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and I'm also going to apply it on my lower lashes. I'm just going to spritz my face with the MAC Fix Plus, and that is it. This is my finished makeup look. I hope you like it, and I hope you'll recreate it. I've added all the products in the description box below.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then do subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.